that Rigathi Gachagua has finally appeared, and as you can see, there are live pictures from your screens. Rigathi Gachagua there flanked by some of his allies, elected allies and supporters there. I don't know if you can see him, but he's there. He's the one with a black cap, and he's flanked there by his supporters. Of course, are excited to have him back 2 months after he has been away in the United States. His return comes as his party is preparing for the by-elections that are slated for November this year. They have various seats that they are going to be flanking or fronting their members to grab those seats, including Malava and the likes. But as you can see, there are live screens there from the Jomo Kenyatta International Airport. Rigathi Gachagua has just landed, and he's now reunited with his supporters, including some elected members of parliament and senators who went to receive him at the Jomo Kenyatta International Airport. Of course, he arrived in the country in the company of his wife, Pastor Dorcas Rigathi. As you can see, their excitement, of course, from his party members, who are excited, as I said, for the return of their party leader ahead of back-to-back campaigns that are set to begin ahead of the by-elections slated for later this year. That is John Methu there, Member of Parliament. Gachagua, as I said, there in the black cap, flanked by his supporters from different lives. Earlier on, we had Lennox Ngere, who told us outside the JKIA. We also have some supporters there who are anticipating and excited for his return. Earlier on, we also had our reporters. Jeff Curry is also there at the JKIA. Earlier on, we also had a link on the residents of Nakuru with Ken Gashohe, who told us what they expect for as their party leader, that is DCP party leader Rigathi Gachagua's return. Of course, they had expressed some of the concerns that they had missed since he was away, but now that he's back, they're excited and waiting for him to storm Nakuru. But as I said earlier, Rigathi Gachagua is in the country, and from what we understand is that he's going to be making his way to the Kamukunji grounds, and there, of course, we also have our reporters stationed there as we await to see exactly what will happen, where the entourage will be heading to as they leave the JKIA. There, as you can see, I understand that Gachagua is already in one of those vehicles that you can see there on your screens, and we understand that he's going to be making a stop over at the Kamukunji grounds, where he's going to be addressing his supporters who have been awaiting for his return. 2 months he has been out of the country and he was in the United States, but now he is back, as I said, ahead of the by-elections that are slated for November this year. They have been fielding most of the candidates, and of course we're expecting to see how that will pan out. Here on KTN, we'll be bringing a new blow-by-blow of that coverage in our subsequent bulletins. Well, that is it for us here on KTN News Desk. My name is Grace Ganga. Once more, thank you so much for your company right here on KTN News Desk. But I will leave you with those live pictures from the Jomo Kenyatta International Airport. Rigathi Gachagua there waving to his supporters as he makes a return to the country.
Hata sijui. Kuja hapa tu, piga hapa. Hata sijui. Warudi. Hawa wataenda speed. Kuna vile tutaona. Sini. Hila ingine. Kuja. Hila. Kani?